Okay, so on top here, it's going to be champagne, bubbles, things like that. But we're going to have to disguise some of it with buttercream. I had some extra sheets left over, so I'm just going to I already took some round cookie cutters and just cut out some little shapes like this. And I'm just going to plop a little buttercream on them, kind of cover this top area with some buttercream. Around that pipe there. Of course, if I would have put buttercream underneath there, then it wouldn't be moving on me, but what can you do? Okay, so I just kind of do that. Let's just cover some of this with the white. Okay, so I'll just get this whole thing maybe covered. Put another like bubble thing here, and that can kind of hold that up and disguise that a little bit. You need to be able to kind of pull this in and out so that we can fill it with the confetti later. So make sure you have that out. Okay, I'm just going to do that for now. Now I can place my hat. Okay, now remember I said that we need some supports. So we're going to have it kind of tilted, so I'm going to put one here. Remember, it's not going to go in that far because the cake only goes halfway down. I probably could have made that styrofoam like half that size. I think I would have liked it better. It's a little deep. It's almost more like a margarita glass to me. But what can you do? Okay, so there's one of those. Let's do another one here. And then probably just one like right in here. And we'll put the hat resting on those. Just to give it a little extra support so it doesn't crush the cake. All right, so let's see. You've got the front over there by you. So, there we go. Let me come around your side because I can't really see what the front is. More like there. Okay, that's cool. Now if you're going to transport the cake, I suggest putting a skewer through there. So why don't I just do it even though I'm not. The skewer can actually go all the way down into the styrofoam. And you could even put like 2 in there if you needed to. Okay, now I've got a bag of buttercream here. Cut this off and just make some bubbles here like the champagne. We're going to add some chocolate ones also. Some bigger ones with chocolate in between.